Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to share with you this unique idea, and I have bookmarks here. So one of them is a plain bookmark and one of them has a holographic design. So I'm just simply randomly adding the resin along with the glitter and along with some black epoxy, just going with simple design here because there is something creative that I'm going to do with that is going to be, you can say, useful. So simply pouring the resin here, and then I'm going to add glitter on the edges of both of them, and after that I'm going to add some black just to create some effect. So these are done now, and now I'm going to leave them and on to the second part of this project. So this is the first of the lovely mold that I got from Into Resin. It was such a lovely flower mold that I have used multiple times, and still this is my favorite, although all of them are my favorite. I really can't choose, but this one is lovely. So I'm just making a flower here, adding a little bit of glitter resin into the center. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black and then the clear resin. So both of these things are going to be turned into something creative. Here's the black resin. So in this way I'm going to make few flowers, just going with the different designs. And here I'm going to fill this up with the clear resin. This mold is so handy. I have created buttons out of this mold and it was so useful. And then I'll leave this to cure. So this is the next day. As I explained that I made few of them, so I demolded them. So in this one I just made a simple clear one, and here is a holographic effect onto the resin here. So I made a clear one also, and here I'm just creating actually napkin rings with this. So I first of all I made it into a normal ring, and then I thought I'm going to give it a little bit of design here. So it was, I need to have a shape so on which I can wrap it so that it can hold the shape, because it is cured but it is still soft, and at this point I can shape it up and leave it like that, so when it dries it holds its shape. So I was looking for an item and this was this came handy, and then I wrapped it up and then I put some rubber bands on the top and the bottom. Similarly I made another one also here. Here we go. The holographic effect on these were actually really lovely. And I'm going to wrap this one again onto the other bottle. Here we go, like this. And then I'm going to put some rubber bands. So this is the next day, and it's done now, and this is the black one that actually I poured in the first that you have seen. So here you can see that how it has hold its shape. It is all done now. And now with the flowers that I made, I showed you. So I made a few different flowers. This is the clear one. I'm going to put this flower. So the flower that I poured, this is how it turned out. I made two of them. So this is an idea you can make in color schemes, whatever party you are holding. So you can make the napkin rings in this way, just
So this
using
was this
bookmarks
sort of
and then the
project that
simple
when you're
mold by
working
Into
on a
Resin.
resin project and an idea comes to you and you have to leave everything and you have to do that. So this one was one of those. So I simply just left my project and started working on this one. So that's the reason you see this in different clips. So now I'm going to use some UV resin to stick these flowers to the bookmark. So these two are done now, and on to the first one that I showed you, the black one I made a black flower for that. So this is the one that I made with the black, and I'm going to put a
So
black
here
flower.
I've made mix and match sort of napkin rings just to give you ideas, and on the black the holographic is showing so lovely, and I have attached all of the flowers onto these napkin rings. This is how they look like. So now let's see the final look. So here we go, these are all done now. As I explained that the flowers have their own beauty, and then with the bookmark, I'm just loving them, how they turn out. Bookmark and the mold, really lovely. I just love this idea, how it turned out. So just a quick and easy way to jazz up your resin items and be creative. And also this flower mold is on 25% discount into Resin shop. If you like to treat yourself, I will put the link in my description so that if you want, you can buy that on a lovely discount. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.